WhatsApp, how to link a device. So I've got WhatsApp on this phone. I want to link it to this phone. So I'm going to open up WhatsApp on the other phone, on the new one. Once it comes up, I'm going to click on agree and continue. Now, once you get to this page, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you want to click on link as companion device. It's going to tell you the steps to do. So first we're going to open WhatsApp on our primary phone. We're going to tap on the three dots on Android or settings on iPhone. So tap on the three dots. Then you want to click on linked devices. Now we're going to click on link a device. Make sure that you have the QR code open on the other device. Click on OK. Now we're going to scan the QR code. Just like so. Okay, it's now loading the chats. As you can see right here, this device has been linked, it says. It's loading the chats here. And that's how you do it.